Welcome to the NUWAVE family. We're excited you decided to join us and are about to find out what living well for less is truly all about. Today, we're unboxing the Bravo XL, model number 20801. Let's open up the top of the box. You will find a manual, quick start guide, and some paperwork. Here are your two heavy-duty cooking racks. Gently turn your box over. Carefully slide your unit out. Here you have an air fryer basket, an enamel broiler rack, and baking pan. Carefully flip your unit back over. Remove the packing material from your unit. Here is your enamel broiler rack. In here we have our digital temperature probe, our enamel baking pan, our air fry basket, our two heavy-duty cooking racks, our manual, quick start guide, some warnings, and our cookbook. Your Bravo will ship with a couple pieces of tape to keep the oven door closed. Remove those two pieces of tape. This red sticker tells you how to earn an additional 3-month limited warranty by registering your unit. You can remove this prior to using. There's a sticker over the display. Remove that before we use it. There's a couple pieces of tape that's holding your crumb tray in. Remove those two pieces of tape. This is the pull-out crumb tray down here. We're going to insert the racks on the Bravo XL. Open your Bravo door. I'm going to insert the first rack into position 1. I'm going to insert the second rack into position 3. I'll take the enamel baking pan and broiler rack and put them into position 1. Take the fry basket and put that in position 3. On the back of your Bravo XL, there's a sticker which has your serial number and a QR code. You can scan this QR code to register your Bravo for an extended warranty. You might experience a new appliance smell on the first use. Don't be alarmed, this is not unusual with a new electrical product. We recommend washing all accessories and parts thoroughly. The new appliance smell will go away, however it might take a couple uses. Start the appliance without food at the default temperature for 25 minutes, then let the unit cool for 15 minutes before use. If the smell remains, try it 1 or 2 more times. We're dedicated to serving you with top quality products and customer service, and your experience with us is very important. Please take a moment to leave an honest review of your Bravo XL once you've had the chance to use it a few times. And as always, please contact us for more information or assistance. Thank you for trying the Bravo XL and becoming part of the NUWAVE family.
Cuisinart Chef's Convection Toaster Oven is in a class of its own. With 15 cooking functions and 1,875 watts of power, it earns every compact inch of space it occupies on the countertop. Choose a traditional cooking function or select unique ones, like Dual Cook and Speed Convection. Dual Cook combines functions for sequenced heating, and Speed Convection gets right to work, cooking foods with no preheat. Choose from the Cuisinart family of toaster ovens and bring an amazing array of features home today.
Decker digital extra-wide convection oven delivers the versatility you need at the value you deserve. Choose convection bake, broil, toast, or keep warm functions, and the oven will auto-adjust for ideal results. Bake casseroles and cakes with ease in the extra-wide interior, designed to fit most 9 by 13 inch pans, including handles. Or if baking isn't your thing, this oven is also the perfect fit for a 12-inch pizza or up to 8 slices of toast. Plus, the intuitive digital controls gives you precision control both over cook time and temperature. The Black & Decker digital extra-wide convection oven. Bake, broil, or toast. Your food, your way.
Calphalon knows that perfect results begin with precise, even heat. And the new Calphalon quartz heat countertop oven delivers. With 11 precision cooking functions and even heat technology to carefully regulate temperature and generate 40% more even heat. So no matter what you're making, it will be evenly baked, dehydrated, or crisp. The turbo convection feature circulates air quickly and evenly for perfection in every serving. Calphalon appliances.